Hi y'all, are you looking to buy an outdoor griddle? Well, today I'm going to compare the Sam's Club Members Mark griddle to the Blackstone griddle. Some of the features that both the Members Mark griddle and the Blackstone griddle come with, we're comparing a 4-burner, 36-inch. So each of the units have a BTU rating of 60,000 BTUs. That means they're both comparison exactly the same, no differences there. Hi y'all, Don here with Southern Backyard Cooking. I want to make sure that if you're liking this video, to please subscribe, ring that bell. That'll get you all my videos. As soon as they come out, you'll get a notification for them. Another area that both the Blackstone and the Members Mark griddle have in common is both of them have over 700 square inches of cooking space. One of the major differences between the Members Mark and the Blackstone griddle is that the Blackstone griddle's got a push button starter, runs off batteries. The Members Mark, this burner right here, has a click. You can hear the click going in. That's the starter for it. All the other burners light off it. The Blackstone, you have the starter, one burner lights up, and all the other burners light off it also. One of the big questions I've had a lot of, especially dealing with the Members Mark, is people are concerned about warping of the surface. It doesn't matter what brand you have. Well, warping happens if it's really cold outside and we try to heat it up too fast. In other words, we are putting the burners on high to preheat. We always want to preheat on medium-low till we get up to that temperature. But preheating too fast, especially if the cooktop is cold, you want to gradually warm it. So it doesn't matter what brand you have, you can warp them. To me, another great advantage of the Members Mark is the drip pan is right here. The hole's right here in the front. The drip pan is right here in the front where I can check it real easily from where I do it. On the Blackstone, you have a little slot back here in the back, and the drip pan is on the back side of that. So to actually check and see how it is, I've got to walk completely around my griddle to the other side to see what's going on. And what happens most of the time is that we don't check it as much as we ought to, and it overflows. The dogs really love it, but as far as a mess and having to clean up, it is really terrible. As far as the Members Mark, it comes with two things. These are things that the Blackstone does not come with. One, it comes with its scraper, and two, it comes with this cloth cover. Really good to keep dust and dirt and everything out. Another comparison between the two, both of them have shelves on both sides, and both have a shelf up underneath for storage. As far as price, the Members Mark, of course, you have to have a Sam's Club membership to get one, but it runs $229. Compared to the Blackstone, it's going to start about $300, somewhere between $300 and $350. Now, as you notice here, I have a Blackstone hardcover on top of it. This Blackstone hardcover runs $70 through Amazon. Blackstone, you can get this to come with your griddle. That range is about $350 to $450. So it's around $50 more or so to get it with the griddle if you buy it from Blackstone. This one feature here, which is the levelers right here for my griddle, this is only on the Members Mark, does not come on the Blackstone. The Blackstone, if you want to level it, you're going to have to put washers in between here. All we have to do on this is take and lift it up a little bit, and we can turn, and it will actually move it around 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch. So we can make sure that we're leveled to where all the grease flows towards, in this case, the front of the griddle where our grease drip pan is located. Now we have these levelers on both sides. That way we can make sure that it doesn't puddle from one side to the other, and that everything flows towards the front. One thing that neither griddle comes with is these windshields. These are really good. You can put them on the front, put them on the sides. What this does is it prevents wind from blowing, as well as it prevents a lot of the heat coming from up underneath your sides here and getting up on your table. One of the knocks of all griddles is they have these nice shelves on each side, but traditionally without these windshields on there, they're too hot to put anything. So if I have my squeeze bottles with oil or anything, they'll melt. So adding these wind guards is a definite must. Now the best tip I can give is to watch my video on how to season the griddle. Seasoning the griddle, especially your first season, is critical to making sure that things don't stick while you're cooking. So please watch that video.